This is Mr. T. I'm here at the riverfront streetcar line, the beginning of the line near our house on Esplanade Avenue. And you can see here comes a streetcar, and he's going to pick people up. The streetcar is powered by electricity coming off those wires at the top. There he is. Ring your bell. Ring your bell. She didn't ring the bell. And you can see that pole sticking out there is what provides electricity. And those are live wires up there. And the pole takes the live electric current, powers the motors that turn the wheels on the streetcar, and it goes all the way up past those big buildings up there. And I'll show you some more streetcar work in a couple days. Those red streetcars, and here's one in position now getting ready to come again. Those red streetcars are the newer streetcars. They've been around about 15 years, I guess. And the original streetcars are green in color. They look exactly the same, just different color. And they're more than 100 years old. So I'll get you some pictures of the original streetcar line, which is on St. Charles Avenue, in another part of the city of New Orleans. This is the riverfront along the docks that carries people who need to move along the river. So that's Mr. T looking at streetcars in New Orleans.